Hello everyone. This video deals with the 11th Standard English First Prose, The Portrait of a Lady, which is written by Khushwant Singh, the famous Indian writer, novelist. Our author Khushwant Singh is well known for his keen secularism, sarcasm, and love for poetry. It is a biographical sketch describing the bond between the author and his grandmother, filling the mind with reminiscence of the past. The main characters are the author and his grandmother. The author describes his grandmother as very old, short, fat, and has a pure soul. She has a wrinkled face, yet she is beautiful, and her lips constantly moving an inaudible prayer. In the first phase, the author describes his grandfather. Next, he shares his experience with grandmother, how she is making him ready for school, how she is spending time in reading scriptures while the author is reading in the school. When the author and his grandmother is in the village, the bond is very strong. When his parents were comfortably settled in the city, they sent for them. This is a turning point in their friendship and relationship. As the years rolled by, they see less of each other. Grandma couldn't help in Arthur's studies. Here, no dogs. Grandma takes to feed sparrows in the courtyard. After our author went up to university, the common link of their friendship is snapped. She keeps on doing her routine and feeding sparrows. When the author starts to go abroad for his further studies, Grandma was calm and composed. She kisses her grandson, but that is the last sign of physical contact between them. After 5 years, the author came back. She did not pray, but she collected the neighborhood women, got an old drum, and started singing. The next morning, she was taken ill. She only wanted to pray. While laying on bed, her lips stopped. Her rosary fell down. She was dead. In her funeral, thousands of sparrows came in mourning for her death. Even ignored the breadcrumbs. They didn't chip at all. When they carried his grandmother's corpse off, the birds flew away quietly. Next morning, the sweeper swept the breadcrumbs into the dustbin. Of course, animals are capable of empathy. This heart-touching narration highlights some values in our mind. We should love and protect the elder person. We should give company to the elder persons. And it highlights the compassion for birds and animals. Thank you.